Hi, San Antonio Living viewers, Diane Gottsman here, and today we're talking about packing your kids for college. It's going to look very different during the coronavirus pandemic. So first and foremost, face masks. I went out and bought disposable face masks that Emily Rose can wear and toss, but then I'm sending along multiple cloth face masks. I got some brand new ones, an assortment, and she can wash them and then wear them after every use. And you know, they're probably going to need a reminder on how to sanitize these masks. So also, I'm sending hand sanitizer every shape and size for the purse, for the car, for a backpack. So I don't think you can have enough hand sanitizer, and then a refill that you can, they can refill their bottles. You know, good luck trying to find wipes right now, and you might have to raid your own cabinet. But these wipes are great for disinfecting counters, for disinfecting high-touch areas. You know, think about what your kid uses on a regular basis in terms of over-the-counter medication like aspirin, antacids, Claritin for my child. So pack a first aid kit, plenty of Band-Aids because you always need them and you don't have them. Emily Rose takes an EpiPen, so call the doctor now, get all of the refills up to date, and send your kid along with a fresh set of all of their medication that they need on a regular daily basis. You know, many universities are requiring a COVID test, you know, to prove that they are negative. So if that's the case for your university, think about it and get it done sooner than later. Insurance cards. So if they have to go to an emergency clinic, make sure that they have their health insurance card and they don't have to look around for it. Have them make, or you make, a list of all of the medications that they use, anything that the emergency personnel would need to know. And then also an insurance card for their car. You know, I went to look for my insurance card, which of course is up to date, and I hadn't downloaded or printed the updated card. So again, these are just little things that we know that we have, but we want to make sure that we are carrying them with us, and our kids have them as well. So for Emily Rose, popcorn, avocados, and bananas are her go-to snack. So we will leave off a care package for her, but then don't forget contactless delivery throughout the school year, so you can send your kids things that they like. You don't have to send them down to the old-fashioned mailbox to get their goodies. You can send it to them as well. So of course you're going to add to your own checklist, but here's just a few things to think about when you are packing up your kid, which is now, sooner than later, and getting them off to a good start this year. See you soon.